Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study chapter 4, division. So, let's start. First, we will get the recap of our previous class and then we will start today's class topic. Okay, so here we need to divide 16 by 3. So, first I'm going to tell you what this 16 represent here, what this 3 represent here, and what equal to means the answer represent here. Okay, so 16 here is called dividend, means the number which is dividing, means the number which is dividing is called the dividend, and the number from which we are dividing is called the divisor. Okay, so 16 is called dividend and 3 is called divisor. You can write 16, you can write 16 as dividend, then and 3 means this 3 is called divisor. How divisor? We can write it like here, divisor. So, the number which is dividing is called dividend and the number by which we are dividing is called divisor. So, and the answer which we will get after dividing these two, after dividing these two number means this 16 by 3 is called the question. So can you see here, when we will divide 3 by 16, we get the question as well as the remainder. How? Let's see. So this is another way of writing 16 divided by 3. This is another way of writing. So how we can do this? We have to, for dividing, we have to write like this. So first the bigger number should be in this and the smaller number should be put over here like this. Can you see here in 16? Can you see here we are dividing 16 by 3. So we have how many ones here? We have only one ones and we have 6 here. So how we can just divide the 16 by 3? You need to recall the table for this. How you can recall? So like this, 3 into 1 is what? 3. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 3 into 3 is what? 9. 3 into 4 is what? 12. 3 into 5 is what? 15. And 3 into 6 is what? 18. Okay, so you can write like this also, like this. 3 into 3 is what? 3. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 3 into 3 is what? 9. 3 into 4 is what? 12. 3 into 5 is what? 15. 3 into 6 is what? 18. 3 into 7 is what? 21. This is how I can write full table, but the thing is I need only 16. So can you see here, can you see here in table of 3 I don't have any 16. So whenever I will not get any number which is similar, which is exactly same to this number, what I will do, I always write the smaller number from this number. So I need to find the number which is smaller than 16. Okay, so can you see here which is smaller than 16? Yes, all the number like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, all the numbers smaller than 16. But I need to write the number which is very much, which is not very much less, but only 2 or 3 less than 16. So for example, here you can see 18. 18 is bigger than 16. So I need to write the number just before 18, just before 18 I have 15, so I will write here 15. Okay, so write here 15, and 15 as at which place? Can you see here, when I multiply 3 with 5, I get what? I get 15 when I multiply 3 with 5. So right, 3 is already written here. I need to write 5 here and then write 15 here. Okay, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So now subtract. Now subtract like this. At this ones place, I can see I have more on the top, so no need to stop. Just take away 5 from 6. I left with only 1, so I will write here 1. So the number which left means the number which left is called the remainder, and the number which I get after multiplying is called question. So here when we divide 16 by 3, we get the question 5 and we get the remainder 1. This is how we can divide a number with one digit number. Now let's go to next question. So this is our exercise 1. Let's see how we can do this. Now we need to divide 5. We need to divide 35 with 5. How we can do this? Let's see. 35 with 5. So this is a way of writing the number. First, which number is bigger? 35 is bigger. So write bigger number here and small number here, like this, like this. Now we need to divide 35 with 5. So recall the table of 5. Let's recall here. 5 ones are 5. 5 to 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 8, 40. So can you see here we get 35 here. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at which number I got 35 in table of 5? I got 35 at 7. So write here 7 like this and 35 here. So 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to what? Is equal to 35. This is why I have written here 5 and 7 here, and the answer is here. So 35 minus 35 is what? 0. So remainder, this is called question and this is called remainder. So here question is asking for quotient and remainder. So quotient is 7 and remainder is 0. Quotient is 7 and remainder is 0. Now go to next question. So in next question you can see here you have 26 divided by 4. So 26 divided by 4 like this. So first write the bigger number here and the smaller number here. Now what you can do is you can see 2 is smaller than 4. That means you cannot just write anything here. Okay, so you have to take these two numbers together. Like here 3 also smaller than 5 now. This is why you need to take these two numbers together. Okay, and here in this question also 2 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 4. That means you need to take these two numbers together. Now recall the table of 4. So table of 4 is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So this is the table of 4. Now let's see here. Can we have 26 in the table of 4? No, we don't have any 26. So what we will see, 28 is bigger than 26. So we cannot take 22 here. We cannot write 22 here. So we will take a number just before 28. Okay, just before 28 is 24. So right here 24, and at what place I get 24? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6, so write 6 here. Okay, now subtract these two numbers, 26 and 24. So now take away 4 from 6. Answer is 2. So write here 2. So can you see, this is called question and this one is called remainder. So this is our answer. This is how we can get the question and this is how we can get the remainder. So you will write question is 6 and remainder is 2. Thank you.